In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your Google site. Once you create a new site, you need to give it a title, and that is going to be instructional technology or professional portfolio. You are going to also give your page a title, so you can just put your name in there, or you can do a welcome to my portfolio, however you want to do that. And you can change the image, you can change the header type, you are able to change your font. You also have the ability to go to themes, and you can choose the color of your themes. You can choose your font style. You have the ability to go through to these other themes if you'd like to change that. So you're going to pick whichever one you want. And you might have to take a little bit of time to play around with this. Once you're done with that, you can insert all sorts of items onto your page. So you can see that you could insert text boxes and images, but you also have the ability to insert anything from your Google Drive, YouTube videos, Google Docs. In this example, I'm going to just insert a simple text box where I say, welcome to my online portfolio. And then I'm going to go to pages, and this is where you need to create a new page. And you're going to create a page called About. And once you create that page, you're going to notice that you get a navigation bar up at the top, and that should now have both pages, Home and About. And you'll also see these pages here. You can click and drag these pages to change the order of them or change where they are. I just put my About page with my Home, and I don't want to do that. So I have Home and About. On my About page, I'm going to insert another text box. And this is where, in the assignment, I've asked you to create a 2-paragraph biography of yourself. Make sure you spell check this and you check it for grammar, and then it's professional. It's written professionally for your audience. I also want you to insert an image, so you can click on image, and from there it'll pull from albums you have online or your Google Drive, or you can search for pictures, but you'll put a picture of yourself up there. When you're all finished with your Google site, you can click on Publish, and it's going to ask you for a website address. So that website address is very important. You can see here it took the title of my site, and so it did sites.google.com/fvcc.edu/ and then instructional technology. I could change this if I wanted to. I could put my own name in it to see if it's available. It says it's a great address, but I've actually already taken it. I could try just Rauscher. Chances are, because we're working through the FVCC domain, you're going to be able to choose your name and it should work. Once you're finished with that, you're going to click Publish. And then down at the bottom, it should say your site has been published successfully. You're going to click on View. And this website up at the top, this address I'm highlighting up here, is what you want to submit to me in the next step through a Google form. So this website address, the one that is short, not the one that looks like this, sites.google.com with a whole bunch of garbage after it, you do not want to send me that website address. Instead, you want to send me the website address that has that's short and has your name in it.